name is Hagare. I am Ethiopian. Currently, I am working in Romania. I have spent 2 years in Romania, and in those 2 years, I explored really a lot of things, and I am so excited to share it with you guys. And I really want to tell you everything I know about Romania, and I want to tell you everything about what makes me excited. I have visited a lot of places. I really enjoyed being here. I got a lot of family, a lot of things between Romania and Ethiopia. People are very similar and very familiar. So I really would love to tell you everything about that. So please, if you are interested to know about Romania or Ethiopia, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And I'm looking forward to see you guys. Thank you. Bye.